Hi all, Avery, the new home guy here. Before we even talk about appliance repair, here's something most people don't realize. One of the biggest advantages of buying a brand new home is that your appliances typically come with a manufacturer's warranty, and in many cases, those warranties can be extended. That means if your dishwasher quits or your oven stops heating properly, you're not scrambling to find someone or writing a big check. It's covered. Now compare that to owning an older home where you're on your own the minute something breaks. So, whether you're in a resale home or just trying to be proactive, here's how I recommend finding a great appliance repair company before you actually need one. First, make sure the technician is licensed and insured in New Mexico. Modern appliances, especially energy efficient or smart models, are more complex than people think. Not every handyman is qualified to work on them. Second, read the reviews carefully. Don't just look at the star rating, look for words like honest, on time, fair pricing, and explain the issue clearly. If you see repeated complaints about surprise charges or no-shows, that's a red flag. Next, confirm they service your specific brand. Some companies specialize in certain manufacturers, and having access to the right parts can drastically reduce wait time. Always ask about the diagnostic fee. Most companies charge one, that's normal, but ask if it's applied toward the repair if you move forward. Transparency matters. And here's something important. Ask about warranty on the repair itself. A reputable company should stand behind both parts and labor for a reasonable period. Response time is also huge. If your refrigerator goes down, you don't want to hear, "We can come next Thursday." One more thing. Sometimes replacing makes more financial sense than repairing. If an appliance is 12 to 15 years old, a good technician will tell you honestly instead of squeezing another repair out of it. And when I'm helping buyers look at homes, we always check appliance age. Because avoiding surprise expenses after move-in, that's just smart planning. New home warranty or smart preparation. Either way, you win. If you would like to talk about new homes or if you have a home to sell, you can always text me at 505 250 5807.